Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to work on this lip a little bit. For some reason there's a piece bent out and it's cutting the tire, so I need to fix that before I do too many more road trips down nasty, bumpy, pothole-filled roads. So let's dive into it. Okay, as you can see here, tire's starting to get chewed up quite a bit. It's nothing like serious, but it's more than I'd like. This lip is actually not bad. I've got it cleaned up nicely on both sides of the car. The other side is just like a smooth rub. It's not actually cutting it. This, for some reason, I have this piece bent inwards, which, I mean, I should have rolled this farther down and maybe like hammered this back or something, but I'm not sure why or how this managed to fold inward. So I'm gonna deal with that because I gotta stop this. So as you can see here, I did a beautiful job at opening up the wheel well. I just cut this inner liner back and then sliced it, but for some reason I wasn't able to push these. They did not want to bend all the way back. They just kind of kept bouncing, so I just loaded it up with caulking. I don't rub on this. I do rub here. There's actually a lot of rubber caked up on that, but what we're working with, on the other side of the car, I actually cut this right off because I had to do a patch in here and it was easier to get to without this lift. So I may end up doing that, but I'd like to try and keep it all intact to start. So I'm just gonna heat it up, hammer it, see what happens. I just don't want anything to happen to this arch. So I'll give it a few taps. If it's not gonna move, I might just cut it right off. So as you can see, paint's all chipped. I was able to very easily move that metal, so I'm not gonna worry about cutting it off until I know that it's still gonna be an issue. Seems like a lot of the rubber is coming up at the back here. I don't think I'm touching back here really, but low car problems, and it's not even that low. But that's pretty much as simple as it gets, trying to maintain fitment with a low car. A lot of people will say don't cut this inner liner out. I really don't care. I already cut the trunk out. It's a flat bottom trunk, battery got moved. I don't ever plan on selling the car, so I'll do whatever I have to do. And here's for all the people that complain about the German lug studs. Really not that big a deal. Even with a giant spacer on it. Boom. One point of contact and the wheel doesn't fall off. Beautiful. Okay, so now we got that all dealt with, wheels back on and torqued, and we're nice and smooth coming up through here, so shouldn't really have much of an issue. There is a potential it's getting cut right about here, so I'll have to keep an eye on it, and you know, hopefully it's not, but we'll see. No big deal. That's just the trial and error of tight fitment and playing around with cars. It's never perfect. I haven't done too much shop videos lately, so I figured I'd make a quick little one. I got one more thing to do. I gotta fix the splitter at the front, so I'll make another short clip on that too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.